Use the tutorial for the COVID-19 response dashboard for HHS Region VII. This dashboard is designed at the University of Nebraska Medical Center College of Public Health. I will start first with giving a brief introduction to different parts of the dashboard. Then I will go into more detail into this different functionality. As you can see in the central part, you have a map of the 4 states which contain Region 7. Those are Nebraska, Iowa, Missouri, and Kansas. Here on top left, you can see the total number of confirmed cases in these 4 states, the total number of fatalities, although these numbers for different counties. Here on bottom right, you can see different tabs which show different time series plots. The first one shows the confirmed numbers for COVID-19 cases in each state. The second one shows the fatality numbers. The third one, the daily increases of confirmed cases. Then the total test results in each state. And then this one is for showing the time series for each specific county. Here you have the total hospital beds in these states, the total number of long-term care facilities, and the total number of population aged over 60-year-old. Here on top right, you have several tabs. The first one shows the hospitals, which are sorted based on the names of the long-term care facilities, the pharmacies, the vulnerable population, which shows the total population in each county, the population aged over 60, median age of that county, and also the population of people with disability. And the last tab shows the Medicare beneficiaries number in each county, which contains the population with Medicare beneficiaries, also the population of people with electricity dependent beneficiaries. With this introduction, I'm going to show you some functionalities of this dashboard. As you can see here on top right, you have a selection which says select a state. Right now it's on Region 7. I'm going to select Iowa. You see that all these numbers and tabs are changing only to represent the numbers and addresses and cases in Iowa. This is only for Iowa. Also, these counties only contain Iowa. The same for all these and also these tabs. Also here, for this one, if I choose one of the counties here, you can see that all these data will be more focused onto that specific county, while at the same time on the map I will have a highlight on that specific county, and the map will pan into to show that in the focus place. You can see all these will change for that specific county. Now, like for example, let's see in Kansas, we have the same numbers happens for Kansas. Telling that, I want to show you another feature of this dashboard. I'm returning back to the home view of my map. Here, just imagine we want to get these numbers for a few number of counties which are contained in our area of interest. I have different methods to choose. I choose rectangular method, and here I choose several counties in both Iowa and Nebraska. You see all these numbers will change. Now it shows that I have chosen 19 counties total, which contains this total number of confirmed cases, this total number of fatality. Also here, it will focus only these specific 19 counties. Even here, my time series will be a total time series for these 19 counties added together. The same for all of these, which are only focused on these set of selections. Here still I have that functionality, which I can go through these different counties in my selection with these highlighted and these numbers and tabs which will be focused on that very specific county. Now I can unselect and it will return to the last view, which is the whole region 7. With that, I want to show you another feature of this dashboard, which is about the map and different layers that it represents for you. Here, the first one is the layer for showing the COVID-19 cases. As you can see here, different cases. If you click, you can see different numbers: confirmed, recovered, number of deaths, and number of active cases. The second one, if you click, it will turn on the pharmacies. It will give you different information about that specific pharmacy. Then we have the dialysis center in different parts. The hospitals, as you can see, for the hospitals, based on the number of beds in each hospital, the symbol will be larger. Here we have a hospital with 702 beds, and for example this hospital contains 60 beds. Return back to the last view. Then we have long-term care facilities. We have a demographic map which shows in different areas. You're looking into the legend. It's based on the population of 60 year and older. Here you can easily see which areas have higher number of these populations. For example, this area, this Black Hawk County in Iowa, it has total population. This population aged over 60 year, over 70 year, over 80 year old, and all these numbers. The other layer is based on the social vulnerability index by CDC, which here you can see these areas with their different social vulnerability index is represented through this layer of map. I hope this tool is going to be useful for the decision maker and healthcare providers in their fight against COVID-19. Thank you very much for your attention.